Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use locate command on Linux. So let's start with opening the terminal. And at the beginning, what is a locate command? Locate command provides instant file search using a pre-built index, and because of this pre-built index, this locate command could be much faster than a normal find command in everyday file lookup. So I will show you how to use it and I will show you some examples. So now we can move to installing our locate command, because it is not installed by default. If you will try to do something like this, so for example locate maybe file.txt, as you can see, command locate not found but can be installed with, and here you have the command. So we will use that command sudo apt install and locate. If you are using the different distribution, you can have the different command, because this sudo apt install works only on the Ubuntu and Debian distribution, I think, but the rest should be the same, so you can watch this video to the end. I will press enter and type in the password. And right now, do you want to continue? We have to type in yes, that stands for yes. We have to, type in y, that stands for yes, and we have to wait a bit in order to our installation to be finished. As you can see, initialization plocate database. So we will have to do something like this. I will clear that for now, and we have to update the database. So we have to use something like this: sudo update database, like this. We have to wait, and now it is working. And now our locate command should work. So we'll start with the simple usage of this command. So locate, for example, file.txt. As you can see, it is working. We have file.txt right there inside of this inside of our home section. So this is how you can do it. You can do also something like this. So locate, and right now you can search for every file that ends with the txt extension. So like this, as you can see, we have a lot of files from the whole home section, and as you can see, you have a lot of files right there. And we can do also something like this. So we can do partial match. So for example, locate and report, like this. As you can see, it will show me only the partial match. So here we have report, but it's not that you have to have the only report. You can only have report in your sentence, so it will show you the whole line. So this is, I think, pretty important. Also you can do limit the number of the results. So for example, you can set the length. So for example, L with 10. That means we will show only the 10 lines of our output. As you can see, we have only 10 lines. Every of these lines contains the report. Here you have even auto report. So as you can see, this is why we call it partial match. And now, what we can do? We can do something like combining this with other commands. So we can do for recent logs. So locate in our system. We can search for logs, and we can do tail and -n. So 5 recent logs from our system. Yes, that's how it works, because we have a log folder inside of var logs and apt. We have the folder that contains all of our logs. So as you can see, these are the last ones. And now we can also maybe like compare it with grep. So for example, locate again, maybe log and for example with history, I mean grep history. As you can see, we have this history log right there. So this is how you can use locate command on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.